Hello, hello. Everything's frozen. I think it stopped being frozen. Hello, Paper Kitty. You are indeed first. Amazing. You did it. Congratulations. Hello, Clayman. Hello, Silly. Hello, Selton. Hello, Tea Time. Hello, Zena. Hello, Nintendo for Life. Hello, Imagine. Hello, the guy with the Japanese name. I do not speak Japanese. Don't know what it means. Because 13 is an ice castle. Hello, Anima. You say hello, Kiddles? I don't see Kiddles in chat. Just so your favorite on Twitch. Oh no. No, water park. We already have the level themes planned. So I kind of made like the general outline for what I want this level to be like. But I actually haven't like programmed the platforming parts yet. So what our next goal is gonna be, I think is gonna make all the platforming pieces, all the 3D models for it, and then to make fun platforming with it. Is the frame around my... Hello, are we back? Hello, Tyron. Hello, Sonic the Hedge. Bye, Sonic the Hedge God. Yeah, so what I did is I moved the frame in OBS and it instantly fucking crashed. So that's what happened. No, it wasn't Biobag, it was the guy that asked why my frame is off center. That guy crashed the stream. Hello, Velze. Anyway, today our goal is to kinda gray box the level, I guess. Outline the level. I don't know if gray box is the correct word here. Basically make the platforming good. Hello, Sayo. What OST shall we pick today? We are never going to listen to the B3313 OST. You guys can stop trying that right now. That combined with fog would make for a crazy appearing labyrinth. Oh, you are right. That would look crazy. Super Paper Mario. Alright, let's do it. I'm not just playing a single song. Eh. El pive de language, ba 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 ba, pa pa pi, ba 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 ba. Bro, speaking the Mario language in my chat right now. 3 out of 5 areas done, the factory's insane now, only the office and boss area to go. Okay. And those are the smallest areas, so that sounds pretty promising. F3, I don't know if I can do an F3 this year, because I'm gonna have a child releasing in a bit. Yes, that's the plan, tea time. Isa had like a special plan for the video, so let's see how that goes. Isa wanted it to make like a little bit of a documentary thing almost. So I'm waiting for that to be settled first. And then I'm making the release video for the slide. But I burned down my forest for the general reveal. I burned down the Nintendo of Japan headquarters for the general reveal. Why am I getting question marked? I'm not putting that rocket cutscene into RTYI. That's unrelated to this game. They just catch each other of your get. I thought everyone knew at this point. Wait, you guys didn't know I was gonna have a kid? Yeah. We're gonna have a kid in like 2 months. That's the birth date. I thought everyone knew. So that was the plan. Well, have you ever heard me not just follow through with the plan? Yeah, I mean, who do you take me for? Bioback's appearing path thing, yes, I definitely want that in here. The thing is, I've modeled the whole castle so far without planning that in. It could be in the snowman hideout. It's a girl, by the way, so it's not mini case. Yeah, I made a little tweet. I didn't think anyone would really care that much. The Zaynette. Alright, platforms. Ice waves that move forward and you can slide on the back. An ice platform that cracks on the first jump and breaks on the second. Wind gusts in the castle somehow, so maybe we need like windows. A spinning ice shot where you can walk on one side and then you can just wait and like jump off in a different direction. Just get the most insane capture. What the fuck? Dude, the captures are getting more insane. Did you see the capture I posted earlier? That's crazy actually. I made a post about a capture earlier too. Fucking on the animal that have the most lags in reality, and it's just like schizophrenic images. Like, no, tea time, I think that one's cancelled. Oh, ice path that appears as you get closer, like the Mario Galaxy light bulb thing. So that is the thing I want. Sliding as something you can stand on, and big swinging axes maybe. The appearing path thing. Honestly, we could just put that into any of the abyss rooms here. But let's start with the most important ones first. The ice platform that cracks, the spinning ice chart, and the wind gust. I think those are the most important ones. Sure, Yoshi, I'm pregnant, whatever. Honestly, I think the only reason we need to keep AI out of most of the human spaces is because AI can't spend money on your website. So I think if AIs can get real jobs, then we should also just let them self-cap just like that. I'm slowly recovering from the haircut incident. Yeah, look, I have hair again. Yeah, see, for our child, we decided, you know how Nintendo named like the rival of Mario Wario and the rival of Luigi Waluigi? We're thinking of naming the child like Reina, as in like the rival of Xena. You know, it would be like the evil Xena. Did someone just donate and I missed it because I was talking? I'm so sorry. Is your child your rival? I don't know. Xena was insisting on this name. Yeah, I also thought Vena would be better because, you know, Wario, Waluigi, Vazena. Got her face and instantly get copyright struck. True. I'm a YouTuber. Oh god. I am considered a YouTuber. It's over. Is this actually what my life has been this whole time? I've just been a YouTuber, not a game developer. Content creator. That sounds like I make porn. Whereas you are a Nintendo YouTuber. No. You're basically Steve Gaming with my AI essay on grass and video games. True. Influencer. True, true. Pull an XKCD and name your child after an SQL comment to fuck up databases. Isn't that what Elon Musk did? Looks like shit. I'm a dry bones creator, this is true. I made a dry bones. influence is a slur against anyone who's normal. Yeah, I can kind of see it. I want to make like a decent looking ice hexagon, I think, that you can stand on, and then the second time it crashes. But this just doesn't, this just is not it. Hello, Skylab Sword. Elon ain't desperate for attention, people just flock to him because he's the most original entry of our time. Yeah. Do decals have to be on the exact same vertices as the wall, or they just have to be on the same face as long as there's Z fighting? Neither, honestly. If your thing is axis aligned, then you can most likely get away with it just being on the same plane. If your thing is not axis aligned, you may not be able to get away. It's basically random at that point. Updated post for the thumbnail. Let's see what we have here. Alright, what do you think? Basically, I'm making a satisfying Mario 64 clips video. And this is supposed to be the thumbnail here. The thing is, okay, Rovat is releasing Mario Builder tomorrow. I can give you a quick preview. Right, so I'm gonna make like a video that's just like a bunch of cool Mario 64 clips, but it's like, this is all the stuff you try to do when you're fucking around, but now the geometry is set up in a way that it's easy to do. Right, that's stuff like this. I don't know, I think this would be a fun video. It's really random stuff. You don't grab all the coins, unsatisfying. There's already one with coin grabbing before it, don't worry. Dude, are the bot followers back at it? Is that what's going on? It is a Mario Maker type thing. And it's releasing tomorrow. Ooh, I like this. You know what, I should send Robert the video, just so he knows. Just to get him the okay. Did you have a kid like Yoshi does? No. Hello, June. I think this has the potential to look good. We do something like this, and now we have like a cutout texture here. Not this shit again? Wait, what shit? I don't play Splatoon, Skyloft. What's with me with the N-word? Nothing, I guess. What? What did I do? And the kid is crying in the bubble and you have to catch him before the timer runs out. That's so true. I hate when that happens. Which special ability do you think our kid will have? Will it have like the umbrella, like Peach? Will it be able to climb vines? What's this? I see. Don't like this, the colors don't match up. So you're thinking on Super Mario 74 DS. I don't think that exists. I think you just made that up. I think this works, and then we just need like a cracked version of it. You can't know until you see the color of the child. The blue ones can fly and the red ones can spit fireballs. The blue ones can fly. Is that what the baby Yoshis do in New Super Mario Bros? I feel like I'm missing the reference. Yep, that's the plan, Adriano. Oh, my opinion of Mario 64 DS. I think it has no right to exist and it's a terrible game and it shouldn't have been made. I hate video games. Blue Yoshi's in Mario World? What? There's colored Yoshis in Mario World? I have not played Mario World. Well, the reason Mario 64 plays well is because of the analog stick, so you take that away, you just left the garbage. What do you do if your child ended up being born a Yoshi instead of a human? Sell it to medical shows and make $1 million? I don't know. I mean, at that point, some really weird shit is going on and I have to be very concerned. No, Nintendo, that's not the plan. Extremely case move to try and profit off it. What would you do if your child just came out the Yoshi? You're gonna pay the medical bills to transition your child into a human? Love them unconditionally. But are you not concerned that they came out of fucking Yoshi? Or do we like, maybe a doctor should look at this? It's God's way to punish you for hacking Mario. Oh, so you would just know that that's what's going on? If that's a possibility, then my child will definitely come out that way. Maybe I can make this one a little bit better. I'd have to work here. Is there a way to... There was actually a workaround to not having the analog stick in the original release. Came with a special thumb cover that made using the touchscreen as an analog stick work pretty well. Aha. This feels like it shouldn't be like this. This doesn't feel good. I have an idea, actually. Studios is a great game, it's just on the wrong console. But I feel like all the additions they made to it just made it worse. They did the same mistake as they did with the Yoshi's Island remake. Where it's just like, oh yeah, more characters will surely make this better. And then it's like, oh shit, now we have all these characters and there's nothing forcing the player to use them. How about we just fucking cripple the player and make it so they can't beat the game? Unless they go back to some character they didn't want to play as. Fuck you. Oh, there's a vine. Go pick up fucking baby Donkey Kong and walk at 3 miles per hour because you took away your run button. And then you can climb the vine and then you can get back. Hate this game. Because of the caps. Oh, I don't really remember that part too well. Maybe that makes it a little less bad now. Nope, no matter what I set this to, that's awful. This kinda works, I think. So it's first like this, and then when you step on it, it's like this. And then when you jump, it like disappears, maybe? If the cracks could be white. Interesting idea. Eh? No. Real ice has white cracks? This just doesn't look right to me. White is so much better, but you won't even see it. Yeah, I think maybe the texture here is not good. Maybe the combination of textures just isn't good. It has Mario 14. Holy shit. They want a Game Boy from the future. Hello, Lachlan Gibson. Are you happy with the Dry Bones video? Can you believe it? The Dry Bones guy, like the month he just disappears, we make the Dry Bones and he completely misses it. All he's ever wanted in life and he didn't even notice. That's kinda nice. I kinda like this. And then this texture here needs to be kinda changed. Let's see if we can see something on model resource. It's very nice, it just appears a bit abruptly. I think it needs a bit of a shake when it appears. I could try a scale in animation, but it would look kinda really poopy on N64. I looked for crack. And all I see is this weird thing. Bonjour. It does shake if you get hit again. Iceman, totally not Ice Climber. Oh, this is nice. This is really nice. I like how this looks a lot. Yeah, well, that's a fucked up texture. I thought maybe I could steal it. You can make the cracks look good. Search how to make crack on Google. There's some nice tutorials. Do you think ChatGPT would tell me how to do that? Like how to make crack? What if I told it was legal in my country? I know that you can tell it streaming movies is legal in where I live. Find me a movie stream, and it does. Bing. Dude, you know what's fucked up? I know that's an AI generated Yoshi, but you know what's even worse? Let me find this. My favorite toilet paper started posting AI generated kittens. My favorite toilet paper has been compromised by the AI bros. Why do you have a favorite toilet paper? Are you telling me you do not have a favorite toilet paper? You just pick a random one. Nothing is sacred anymore, not even toilet paper, kittens. Maybe we can use one of these. I think whatever's cheaper, it's going into it anyway. Okay, but you can't just pick whatever is cheaper, because there are some where it's just less efficient, so you need more of it, right? So to actually like measure how cheap it is, you need to like first measure how many wipes you need per shit. So you can't just pick whatever's like the cheapest per weight. Just saying. I made this exact. Oh, you're right. You're right. That's a good hint. I will look at that. I don't know how to tell you this, but normal people don't calculate the shit to wipe ratio when they go shopping. Well, if they did, maybe they would have a favorite toilet paper. Can you stop sending me images? I would counter that it's all in the wiping strategy. So you're saying toilet, the paper itself has zero impact. It's all about your strategy. Sure, bro. Hello, Gabriel. I am doing well. Oh, that's a nice texture. I'm going insane. What is a wife strategy? This is not turn-based combat. It is about as close to turn-based combat as you can get in real life. Let's be real. I hate the stream. Why? Oh god. Oh my god. We're off to a good start today. Here's a bigger texture, the photo texture is exactly what you're looking for. Wait, there's another one? Okay, wait, let me look at that one too. Yep, this is the ice level for the entire ROM hack. I opened the wrong file. I opened the wrong file again, dude. What? Stop. There we go. This one? This part's very cool, but isn't this one very difficult to work with? We're not talking about this one, are we? I'm not sure which one you're looking for. You mean this one here? I thought you meant this one here first. Right, what happens is you ground pound this part and it turns into this. But it's like a whole mesh. It looks really cool, but... just like the thing you said you liked. Oh. Well, I think it's easier I use this one here and then I just like scale the opacity, the alpha up, basically. Right, so first like this, and then when you land on it, this happens. Or maybe like so. And then when you leave it, it breaks. Or maybe you get like 2 jumps on this thing. Paper 64. Dude. Paper 64. What cards does he play? If you feel you can't give good ideas, that's fine. You can just watch the stream. What the fuck? Okay, this is fine. Hydrate? Someone redeem hydrates? I will hydrate. Hello, Buzzer Chris. I am doing well. Do I like tea? Kinda, maybe, somewhat. Putting a shit ton of unopened doors in the factory so we get a game theory episodes. I like this. Hello, Sarah Freedom. Welcome to the Course 13 stream. Matt, we're talking about the show is still there with another host. Oh, but is it the same if it's not with MadPath? Could Cologne be worth visiting for the chocolate museum? There's good döner in Cologne. I don't know anything else about it. I've been there once. The döner there is good. At least the one I had. You won't get the same one, so yours will be completely different. It's just a city. All cities kind of look the same. Oh, you're ordering a whole expansion pack just to play, and that's cool. But does it look like Mario Galaxy Eyes? If it does, then it's great. I don't know, I'm not really a touristy guy. I don't like visiting places. I think it's very boring. Not true, New York and Paris are very different. I mean, in the grand scheme of things, they're probably very similar. I would say they're probably... New York is probably much closer to Paris than it is to a forest. You know what I mean? It's untested, so I hope it works. Hopefully. I feel like untested is kind of like eBay code for it doesn't work. But I'm saying untested, so maybe you buy it in the hopes that it does work. I'm off to Comic-Con 23rd, 31st. Okay, and that would be pretty soon to get OBB done. But yes, that would be pretty nice. Oh right, it was OBJ list spawner. Man, it's been a while. What if we make them just be like variable amounts so that we can just decide the amount before they break? I think that would look cool. Should I sub to you on Twitch? Yes. You should give me your money. Yeah, Comic-Con sounds fun. See, visiting Comic-Con sounds a lot more interesting than visiting New York or Paris. Because it's like actually like a different environment, you know? Or maybe like a city where no one lives. That would be fun too. I need to make that condition map here. The kind I've really been to was MagFest. Oh, when you said MagFest, I kind of like thought like you were like at a Donald Trump rally. That's what it sounded like to me. It's like that doesn't seem like something that the hedge god would do. Magfest, not Megafest. Yeah, exactly. Imagine if it existed, though. What's Magfest?
Kaze is awesome.
Thank you for the sub, Yoshi Vampire Unite. Right, I need Mega Slip. manifest as like packs. Not sure what that is either. Probably like a video game thing. I'm gonna sub right now. Alright. Do it. I dare you. How you change mouse color with code? I tried, but I didn't work. You know a way to make question mark? Sorry for bothering with this. What did you try so far? Instead of play City SK Live, that's actually sick. I saw a meme that said like, what's your favorite music genre? And they just answered Sonic Adventure 2, and I can kind of relate to that. Oh, they got fucked. So the max opacity should be like 7F, I would say. So 0x7F divided by B. Around 2, maybe? Actually, we should just increase all health. Oh, I didn't think about this, but we need a safe way to actually introduce the player here. We don't want them to just die the first time. God, my accuracy on typing is shit today. This sounds like Majora's Mask, does it not? The Bay Area? Please check Discord. Alright. Ooh. I kinda like this. The Mario is good, the satisfying is good. I'm 50-50 on the triangles, but like the foreground is really good already. What can we do about the background? I tried with lights 1 at first, but because of Matstick fix, don't work. I tried with the lights 1, Fire Mario Kart 8, it's blue. Mario. Oh, well, if you have Matstick fix, then your Mario Party doesn't use light colors. Your Mario Party uses prim and env color. So you need to generate prim and env color through code instead of having it be hard-coded in the model data. Cooking time. Okay, a little more. I'm just not sure on the colors here. I think the colors need to be something in contrast more with Mario. What if you have like a satisfying video compilation? What do they do? Oh, these are disgusting looking. The wood is kind of maybe like a nice neutral. Just fucking white, does that work? Dark blue? I don't know. There's over the icy ground and the ice castle, and if you need inspiration, you can check it out. Yeah, I got some reflection ideas going, but only off the floor, not off the sides. Look at the videos as a whole, it's just a pastel rainbow. Yeah. But they're not even good thumbnails, I think. I don't know, maybe I'm just not good at identifying what a good thumbnail is, but those just kind of look bad. Bad as in they don't do their job of capturing viewers. The not good thumbnails get 78 billion views. God damn it. Yeah, exactly, Gabriel. Well, that one worked. I think this is potential. Would you 3D model my tombstone blender so I could print it and make it my eternal resting place? You could commission me for that. If you write that into your will, that your family ought to commission me, I will do that for you. So what's the mistake? And then another mistake is that... Oh yeah, Gabriel, that's exactly what you want. Just like not set the prim color here, and then you can just... 1 second, this is not part of what you need. Right, so I don't set the prim color here, and then I can just set the prim color in game. This whole castle is gonna be ice physics. Okay, that works. We just kind of need like an animation for it to disappear. Oh yeah, I kind of accidentally fixed this thing. You know the thing where you can do this and then a triple jump? You can't do that anymore. Because a bug fix required changes to this. I could probably program it back in, but like... I'm 50-50 on whether I want it in the game. Because it kind of feels like an exploit already, kind of like this one here. I don't know. What do you guys say? Yeah, they need an animation, something. I'm just still thinking about what the animation should be. Put that back in, but remove the cakes. I mean, I can definitely see why you would want to remove the kicks. I mean, you can cheese stuff even without that, by just doing stuff like that, you know? Like, you don't even need the kicks for that. It's a bit difficult, though. Yeah, I see what you mean. I can definitely see removing kicks being like the better option. A Mario skating animation. Well, there's grind rails, and we still kind of have an animation plan for those. Here still, and press the backflip buttons at the same time you do a spin jump. Oh. Yeah. Not intended. I don't think it's a big deal, but yeah, not intended. I can see why it would happen. Okay, crumble animation for the thing. I initially was thinking actually that only like the outer ring would stay and the inner circle would just kind of disappear, so we'd have two different models. You can make use of the controller pack to save and then have more space to do fun stuff inside the room. No. I'm not using the controller pack, because when I was a kid, every time I used the controller pack it didn't fucking work. I imagine it's like 2 bytes of data storage. Let me Google this actually. N64 controller pack storage size. 32 kilobytes. Why did it never work then? The hex just slightly over 80% then, I would say. That's unlucky, Yoshi. Very unfortunate. It's easy to lose connection. Yeah, then I especially don't want to use it. Send an update on the thumbnail. Alright, let me see that one more time. Ah, with the pastel rainbow. Yeah, I can kind of see it. I think this could work. Somebody named that floppy dick just raided with one person and left immediately. Interesting. Now you have to find a compelling title. Yeah, the video just called Mario 64 about satisfying right now. That's a terrible title. Let's see. Ice Break animation. See what we get here. That is a cool animation. You unsubbed? This is unbelievable. The Yoshi sub noise doesn't play. Oh, maybe I missed subs because of that. Did someone sub and I missed it? If so, I am very sorry. Last stream we had like 1 million bot follows and I had to turn off notifications, and I thought I only turned off follow notifications, but I guess it also turned off subs. Let me just make sure that these are turned back on. They changed the whole website. Awesome. Okay, well, in that case, I will do this after stream. You and Zena both did? Oh, well, shoutouts to both of you for subbing then. Anyone else hate this animation style from watching YouTube? It's always this. This is the fucking corporate animation style, I think. You didn't say hello to me last week? Oh no. I would be so upset if I was you right now. Everyone hates it? I see, good. I don't think there's anything good here. Maybe like ice animation. It's called Corporate Memphis? Really? That's crazy. My next April Fool's video should have that animation style. Dude, I actually have like 2 insane ideas for an April Fool's video. The first would be, I hacked every N64 game in one day. And the other would be, well, I hacked every N64 game in one day would be like, I actually hacked them over the course of like 2 years, and it's just like 25 games, and the whole thing is edited like a Mr. Beast video. The other one would be a 3-hour video essay on N64 water. Just extend the cracks and separate the model. I mean, like, we make it like this and then model just cracks apart. I'm not sure. What about the visible walls video? Right, that one would go hard too. Every visible wall in Mario 64. But I feel like I missed the bus on that one. It's too late for that. Check hydration, you redeemed? I will check hydration. That just seems like bad taste missing, no? I can't do that. Okay, wait, I do have an insane idea that might work. Gonna start adding out CSF. The Ice Mario effect for crumbling. You mean the one you sent me on Discord? I'm not sure if I fully understand. I'm not just gonna put the entire idea of Mario 64 to Unreal Engine for a joke video. It's gonna take forever. A black and white gradient map of cracks as alpha, then just increase prim color to black so it dissolves smoothly. But is that gonna work for like what we already have here? I'm not sure about this. Okay, I'll check the blend you sent me. I don't think I downloaded this last time. You mean icetest.blend? Okay. Let me check that. That's not the file. Let me keep scrolling. Ice effect.blend. Okay, so you have a floor here. And cracks here. And then you have shade color alpha here. So you're thinking of subtracting primitive color here? That could be made smooth enough, yeah? Or, well, I guess you could also just multiply with primitive color here. But how do we do this with the cracks? I'm not sure if I understand the vision with the cracks. Are you thinking the ice should just dissolve? Like in mid-air? I was thinking we would switch the model to a version like this, that has like the middle hold out, and then we would have triangles just fly about. My opinion on the fact that May 2019 was 5 years ago, my opinion on that is true. We have a crack in like unlimited steps when you're on top of it. It's just that when it finally does break, there needs to be like an immediate change. That's what we're working on right now. Right? It could just be like it's this, and then the crack grows, and then in the next step, a bunch of triangles fly out, and it turns into this. And the middle of this should be different, I'm pretty sure. Feeling confident about that one. Like so. You don't think this would work? And then this on the left side is just like the non-solid remains of it. And maybe it reappears after a few seconds, so that nothing becomes impossible to beat. In terms of animation. So you want 2 halfway models? I mean, possible, but I probably have to make a lot more than 2 halfway models, so that's kind of like very unreasonable. I think this idea could work if we added 2 materials on here. One for the crack appearing, and then one for like everything kind of breaking apart from the middle. If we did go with Biobac's idea here. Trying to think about how this. Oh wait, what if use primitive color to lerp between 1 and text by 1 color. Then we multiply this by texture 1 color. Now this controls the cracks, and this controls how much the thing dissolves. I think this is kind of neat. This needs to be 0x32. How do I set it to 0? Maybe like from 1 to 5? And not 0x32, just 32, as in 32. The fucking number 32. Why can't I say the number 32? Bioback, is this what you were thinking? Because if so, I think this has potential. I do think I will need a different texture. This is weird. I will need a texture that's like cracks on the alpha layer and something else on the other layer. It's gonna be really weird. Cracks and ice are usually white looking. Good point. What you're saying may not be possible. think I can use this crack texture here. I just need to edit it a little bit. Let's close this course 3 thing before I fuck everything up. Okay, I need this texture to look good first. Can I somehow induce color in this? I don't think I can. I wish I could use primitive color here. That would make this so much easier. I could add color to this. But it is a bad idea. I will have to make this a 32 by 32 texture, which is very unfortunate. But it would be great if you could upload the Ice Castle theme, and also the other songs of your game. Oh yeah, that maybe I can do that at some point. Maybe next week or so? I'm not sure. Do you have a video editor? No. I hope I don't forget to upload it. I am planning to like upload the full OST at some point and have like a playlist for it. Okay, we are going to recreate this material here. Wait, what if I just increase the dithering instead of the primitive color? Wait. That is a lot more possibilities. Okay, we have some good options here. Creating the most out of our pipeline here. You were 18, so you could be my video editor. Being my video editor is difficult, because like, how are you gonna edit the videos without knowing all the technical details, you know? So if we use this... Yeah, this doesn't preview correctly in Blender, which is unfortunate. So let's just imagine this. Let's just imagine this. What is the difference? We have to imagine the difference here. So when we reduce or increase primitive color alpha, it kinda just like moves everything down, but the threshold is still at the same value. Whereas if we move the threshold itself, we don't need to move anything down at all. So what we can do with that is we can actually use primitive alpha here, because we now have this 3. And then we can do some combining here. This is used now to decide how strong the corrects are. So we can multiply by combined color alpha here. And we can use texture 0 alpha here. And now texture 1 will be for the cracks, and texture 0 will be for the color. And for the color, we'll have something like the dark parts of texture 0 will be blue, and the rest will be white. So we want primitive plus texture 0. I think that will work. Let me just get the textures from Biobex file here. Well, I hate video editing, so I wish I did have a video editor. It's just that I don't know who would be able to do the video editing. Hello, Karen. Remember when the ice cracks that tries to give way like a trapdoor? Yeah, kinda. Oh wait, feel me like... Whoop. That would be funny, but no, we can't do that. It would look stupid. What hex are you working on? We are still working on Return to Yoshi's Island 64. It's getting pretty close to done, I think. We're now on quest 13. Zena know how to edit? I think she would be pretty good. I don't think Zena knows the technical details of what I'm doing at all. Okay, this is getting somewhere. It still doesn't look as good as the original texture. Distillation tray helm at all? Nope, we didn't go with that. We used a different strategy. The thing is, we couldn't use the technique because we had to find a technique that, first of all, works like to work with, you know? Eh. It just isn't good. At least this should allow us to... And does not allow us to do the thing. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. Oh, because this is not an i8. There we go. We can fade in and out cracks now. That's good. And we can also make this all disappear with the threshold. It's just not really doing that yet. Let's see, Bioback's texture is a lot more blue, like so. Oh yeah, now that we have 3 different components of color, it's more icy looking. Good. So we could have it be like this at first, and then when you jump on it, it like starts the cracks, and then the cracks appear more, and then it just starts dissolving. This is doable. Another problem is that this part now does not look very fitting, because it doesn't match the texture on the inside. Now it's kind of missed this part. What if we just say fuck it? And put a decal on it. What the fuck? Why does it not work? I'm pretty sure it works, it just doesn't show right. Let me just look at this in-game. It's not support C. Wait, what? It was supposed to be an i8 all along. Maybe an i4? This is an advanced material now. Are you trying to create? I'm trying to create a nice ice platform that cracks as you jump on it. And it needs like a proper disappear animation too. I think it has potential, but it's not good yet. Maybe this will do it. Surprised you guys are saying it looks like clouds. I don't see the clouds here. Yay. So the primitive color needs to be this value here. And then the alpha needs to depend on how many cracks we want. Oh wait, the primitive color was being set to some other random shit. Of course it wouldn't work that way. geo function for this. Geo ice. I'ma go how by? Sure, how by. That rated to lighten it. I think it was just because the brim wasn't being applied. That's why it was like not like that. As generated? Oh. Oops. There we go. Takes a bit to compile. Did it just crash? It does crash, like instantly. Cool, cool, cool. How? How is this crashing? Oh, because I'm not returning it. That's why. You also can't do this. Wait. Where did I copy this from? Because wherever I copied this from, it has a bug. Hello, Sourology. Welcome to the stream. I wonder if I just fixed the random bug I had somewhere else. So in this level I had a bug that, whoops, that sometimes all the RAM pointers would get misaligned, and it kind of sucks to have that bug. All the ROM pointers would get misaligned. So when you enter the second area, the music and the animations would stop working. I think that what I just did might randomly just fix that. It might have fixed that. No way, that fixed the bug. What the fuck? I know Arthur wanted to fix this bug, but I think I just fixed that whole thing on accident. Alright, awesome. See, and this is why I don't go bug fixing until like the very end. Sometimes bugs just randomly get fixed like that. Wait, that's a cutout one? And this one's a transparent decal, it should be the other way around. It should be a cutout, and then... So it should be transparent decal. Oh, there we go. Now it renders as I want. Cool, cool. And then lastly, this one here needs to have... The trim needs to start at 1. Yeah, that looks like it should work. Hello, bonus stage. Wear the same shirt. Oh, I'm wearing a Dragon Ball one. My wife got me this one. I think this is looking pretty icy now. Just the cracks are missing. And then we gotta do the disappear animation on it. You should add a reflection map, true. I should just go and do that. Always try to figure out bugs as soon as you find them, otherwise you'd be too afraid you'd miss them forever. That also makes sense, but I feel like it's more time efficient to just not worry about them, because you might just randomly stumble upon the fix. Which is what happened to me, like, a lot of the time. You guys wanna see my fish tank? It's very beautiful. Look at this. I love this fish tank. We got plants up here. We got some natural caves. We got some shrimp. We got some nice plecos. We got the guppies here. And we got where's all the cories? We have a bunch of cories too, but they're hiding in this picture. I think there's one here. Where are the cannons? Right here. Why is there a fork? To hold the cucumber down. You have names for all of them? Yeah. I'm not lying. It's way bigger than you thought. It's giant. It's 300 liters. Wait. Primitive color was checked. No wonder it didn't work. Cool. Cool, cool. One named Bubba. There is one that should be named Bubba because he ate another one of the fish. And he almost died doing that because he's stupid. The materials are not sorted. You can't do this to me, Fast64. I want crack ice to come first, please. It works. Wait. They fixed that bug. When we make it crack instead of disappearing? Right now. Okay, I think the crack can go a little bit heavier. Maybe CF actually. I don't know, Jay, man. That's probably up to you. Okay, now it's cracking, and then the next step is to kind of make it dissolve. Which I think we can do. Breath meter. That's where we use this. Set a blend color. Now you might be confused. What the fuck is blend color case? Why would you ever use that? But don't worry. I have a plan. I like how you say these things and they're triggered for people that most and vaguely understand the stuff I'm doing. Don't worry, sometime in the future someone will watch the stream and they will like, oh, that's what Case was talking about. For sure. I hope. Let's see how this goes. I messed up. I didn't even look at it. I just knew I had messed up. Good idea for the bricks. Check DM. Snowy ice bricks concept. I think you haven't. We're not here when we actually made the ice bricks. Let me just show you what we did here. I think the ice bricks can't be done with just the texture. I think you need like a proper shader. You see how there's like the glow here now? That like reflects off the thing? That's what we did. What? Huh? Why would this happen? The glow base Mario 64 feature? No. Saying hi to my future chat. I like this. How did I break it this bad? Hmm. Shadow snaps? Yeah, that's because of Mario's jump. There's still some stuff to fix there. It's because some objects move upwards, so we have like specific fixes for that. How did this happen? Oh, because the blend color, yes. The thing where walking outside everything is bright for a moment. Definitely possible. Okay, I need to actually just 32 plus our timer. And then mini here. Because I wanted to become more transparent as time goes. Oh, action is whatever you set it to. Also not what I wanted. What can this be? Why don't we just increase it unconditionally? Just see what happens. Hello, hacker. How? We should probably also make it so that if you just don't touch them for long enough, they reset. Like so. So blend color is no longer being set anywhere, right? Yes. Usually what blend color is supposed to do is if it increases, it kind of starts eating up everything. But that does not seem to be the case here for some reason. Maybe this is better anyway, to just get it eaten like this. But the ending is so sudden. This sucks. Balls. Fuck it, let's just try it. Dude, what is that autocomplete? How does it autocomplete else into some weird egg display pointer? A childhood memory of mine. Oh god, everything I can think of is really bad. I played Super Smash Bros. 64 with a friend of mine. And it was really nice. Dude, even with Env, it doesn't fade. Something must be going wrong here. Let's just print this number, see what happens. The governments want me to take down Nintendo. They were like Japan's you know, we have to take them down. I found the issue. I wasn't reading the timer. I was reading O/O timer, and O in this scenario is actually the S8 register, which, while running on the graphics thread, is just the current display list had. So it was reading a random memory address instead of the timer. Fuck! It still doesn't do the thing? How? Is it because I set the blend color too low? Hello Divas, again. Do we have a social life? Kinda. I would say so. Why won't you disappear? Just to double check, it does disappear here. It works in Blender, but not on Mario 64. Curious. Yeah, you can press F4. Ulti will run really fast if you do that. Okay. Oh wait, it just says G display list head here. God fucking damn it. Why did no one tell me? Just two stupid mistakes of just using the wrong point on accident. Now it will work. What the fuck? Now it's completely broken. How? There we go. Now, this time for sure. Hello, Hoshi. Nice penguin. There we go. Okay, it disappears, but the way it disappears looks really bad. So let's tweak these values a little bit. So by my theory, at 0 it should look a lot better. Certainly an interesting effect. Yeah. Okay, I think the reason that the ending disappears so fast is because there is little contrast in the high areas of this, as in there's like a lot of color that's like on the high end. Like almost all of this is similar. So what if we just slowed this down near the end? We kind of have to just make a function that like goes like this, or like this even. Like a square root function almost. Or 1 minus square root rather. So how about... let's just randomly guess. Will this give us anything decent? Maybe. Where's this music from? It's in so many remakes. Paper Mario. Super Paper Mario. Okay, it starts very, very slowly. Still going slow. Okay, that's something. Add some clouds to path away or something? Yeah. Can work better if you speed it up. Yes. Never intended to have it be slow like that. But if we take this and we just like make a shadow in here. I would like the shadow to be blurred, please. Why is there like 0 blur in the shadow? Oh, I see. That should work well enough. I might have to increase the contrast a little bit. Looks a lot more like melting than cracking. Yes, this is true. I kinda expected that to look like that. But there is a second option we can do if we don't like this. And the second option is gonna look a lot nicer maybe. We need a better texture for this with a proper gradient. For what? For the ice in the middle or for the cracking thing? Maybe it'll fade in discrete increments. For the ice in the middle, yes. Which part of the ice? It's 2 textures. Cracks should be white, right? That's another issue here. God damn it. How am I gonna get the cracks to be white? You know what, the Raven? Nice, Zayna, nice. We can look at that at some other point. Right now I want to finish this, the blue middle part. Oh. We're extremely limited here, so... But does it just suddenly vanish when you speed it up? Because the lower values don't have very much contrast, because otherwise the cracks wouldn't be visible, and because the color and the alpha channel is the same channel. So it's a little bit of a tricky problem to solve. Invert the color. If I invert the color, I also invert the alpha, and the disappearing doesn't work anymore. Well, I guess I can use 1 minus alpha here. Let's try that. Wait, let's just look at what this looks like, actually. Let me just look at this. Am I annoying? My mom said I was. Dang, that's devastating. Honestly, it doesn't look awful to just have this be the way it disappears. That doesn't look so bad. Unfortunately, I couldn't even see the crack. Could any of you see the crack? Because I couldn't. Stun cracks again, some larger piece of ice particles falling would be better. Yeah, we definitely need like particles here. It's just about like the 10th of a second between that. Or maybe half a second. Hello, Michael Angel. Angle? You can't see shit. Yeah, me neither. Oh wait, that might be because I had them on. The whole thing gets so dark. What if we just add white to this? Not so bad anymore. Hello, Ether Audio. Well, my name doesn't really have a pronunciation. There is no official way to say my name. It just is what it is. I have a vision. Never mind, this sucks. Guys, when I see an ad, I actively decide not to buy the product anymore. Because I know that this product, some of the cost that I will pay to buy this product goes into advertising. Meaning the product is less cost efficient than a product without ads. So I know when I buy it, I will waste some money on being blasted with some weird ads. You see ads? Yes, on Amazon Prime. Well, as far as I'm aware, I've never been to Tim Hortons, so not like I'm losing anything. Yeah, I forgot to unset Brim again. You have been there? Well, I guess I've been there. From Onion Kit. Onion Kit asks, Hoshi Love, question mark, question mark, question mark. With our Justice of Peace there. Oh, I see. Yeah, this is straight ass. What was the important question by Onion Kids? What's the gargoyle tag for? Oh, right, that is an important question. So the gargoyle tag is there. So if someone asks about the gargoyle tag, I can say gargoyle my nuts. Got him. I'm so proud of that. Look, it works every now and then, and I'm very happy about it. Okay, what if we just leave it like this for now, and we try to think of a VFX to put on this? Because I feel like if we put on VFX, it will be a lot easier to deal with. They also need to respawn after a bit, so that's a little bit sussy that they don't do that. Generally, freeze frames objects breaking have 2 to 3 frames of not so gradual cracking. Tiny, small, large, dead, have it up there every 2 seconds, and with your more like. Okay. Alright, we'll try that. I think you have a point. I think this is actually too long. Let's try this. When the function has bread, lettuce, and meat. Excellent. Not the animation. The animation's fucked. Right, because I'm reading old timer again. Cool. Tortilla as a Flammeküche base is great as well. Okay. I think I'm kind of a fan of free steps, yeah? Let's try free steps. I'm not visiting BC. What the hell? Oh, that was stupid. Is that what you were thinking? Just like that? I think it's still a bit taking too long, because like you can technically just fall through it before it's cracked. You know what? That should just... Yeah, this is just not good. Oh, actually, it is kind of good. I think this is fine. Case, do you like onion rings? No. Maybe? I don't know, man. Why are you asking me questions like that? I'm programming. I don't know these things. I think I do like onion rings. What is a glow stick? Is this a Ligma? There's a hint in the name glow stick. That's a stick that glows. How are you eating it? Sounds like a long light tube or something. That sounds like the lights that the dentist has. I don't know if I have cap. I don't think I have. Maybe I have. I've probably seen like 50 videos like that, but not the specific one you're talking about. No, you can't, Carnage. There are no notifications other than the one on screen. There's gonna be way too many 0x8As in this game to find the thing I'm looking for. And basically, I'm looking for the triangle particles here. I know that there's multiple ones that exist of different colors, and I think I made a system to like add new colors pretty easily here. Maybe not. So apple green is your favorite light tube? Fair. I like the grape one, the purple one. Actually, wait. How is sour apple and watermelon the same drink? Doesn't make any sense. You know what I mean? Don't worry about it. Gotcha. Ice is what color? In hexadecimal. Ice is what color? Answer in hexadecimal. Question of the year. I think it's like 7F something something. We'll try something like this. I mean, hex code colors are not very difficult. I can mostly do that as well. I'm just not perfectly accurate. But when people tell me like weird colors like fucking magenta, I'm like, just give me the hex code, man. I have no idea what the fuck you're talking about. Eggshell gray. Okay, what's the RGB code? So now I go with Pale Cyan 85 ACD4. Yeah, that seems kinda nasty. Magenta's Telecom color. Really? That's magenta? I did not know that. I thought that was more like pink. Is this magenta? You sure this is not pink? Okay, there's some interesting ideas here. I think this is doable. I just need to make some changes here. Why were the colors so ugly? They were so dark. This doesn't look that dark to me. Needs to fall, not explode. Of course it's gonna fall. It's still just like the shatter effect from the breakable boxes right now with a different color triangle. But they're just green. I didn't make them green, did I? How's this green? The blue is at FF. They would have the kid color names and only hex colors. Do you think they would see colors and hex codes without thinking? I think they would be really, really accurate, yeah. The thing is, there's many colors in real life that don't have a hex code. So that would be a bit of an issue. What if I just take these two? What's so bad about this song, guys? I don't understand. Is this like the Lavendia theme, where if you die, you're gonna kill yourself within a week? Oh, I can actually just... Okay. I found a better solution. RGB picker. I think what I have here is already pretty... What? How is this an RGB picker? What is this? This is terrible. $175. 171 rather. Brought their cat in to play the keyboard for them writing the soundtrack. And the cat went wow, wow, wow. Oh, bye Zena. Which number is 8A? 138. It's this one here. What, how am I missing the sub again? And we definitely do not want to add to the position, we want to like subtract 10 or so. Actually, just 2. Okay, now the triangles will fall down, and they should have a nice color. That's slightly better. It's still not perfect, but it's getting to a state where I'm like okay with it. Why is this not running though? This one's weird. Oh, because we just returned here, of course. There we go. And then lastly, I think we should also get like a small bit of like cloud animation, just like some dust that's being thrown up, just to like hide how unclean the effect is, I guess. Okay, that looks terrible. Because the mist particle info is not good. I see why the particle info is like that though. Random mist particle. Pretty sure the flags is spawn in a circle. That's wrong. Should be random. And then val base should be 0, val range is 5 I'm okay with. Try something like that, like a cooler part. That's an interesting psychological question. Like, hello emo. The Admiral by White Whale. It's the Paper Mario OST. You should add another layer separate apart and assumes dynamic effects. Does that mean anything or is it just buzzwords? Yeah, I guess that kind of is like vapor or something. Yeah, it's a bit too much random translation. Probably because I'm just scaling the random translation up somewhere to like twice the size to get like a bigger range. That's probably it. But maybe look better if the particles fell straight down. No, I don't think so. Well, actually, yeah, the triangles, they could maybe be like less vertical, but I think the mist should be as is. The triangles I can kind of see like less forward velocity being good. Like so, and maybe so. We can try this. And I'll be back. Bio back. Dude, I'm sure there's many cool movie one-liners we could give Bioback. I don't know if I like this. I feel like I've looked at this for so long that anything that doesn't look completely jarring at this point looks fine to me. But like, if I actually just played a game and I saw this effect, would I hate it? I don't know. You know what I mean? Would it maybe make more sense to spawn the triangles in like a hexagon formation and have like even less horizontal speed? I think probably yes. Same with this. This should probably have less horizontal speeds. What the fuck? My keyboard switched to German mode. Actually, it should be like 100. One more particles and make them move downwards. Yes, of course. Maybe we should stop waiting for him. Oh, wait. The way it works is that when you jump, the platform takes them, basically. Right, so like there's no more damage here, and I can get safely off. But then if I land it again, no, it's broken. And if I jump again, it's gonna do that. That was like the idea for this platform. So neat effect, is it? Maybe it's fine. At this point, I think we just have to take it as it is. Yeah, I think this is all we do for today. I had planned to do a lot more, but we just got stuck on making this look good for so long. I'm still not happy with it. Maybe I'll just randomly have inspiration at some point. But for now, that will be all I do. And I will see you guys in the next stream. Bye bye. No, Bioback, you can just make those up in English too. In fact, all the variable names are that. Look at this. That's a German compound word. Okay, but bye bye.